boom, right in the teeth. Boom, right in the teeth. Boom, right in the teeth. Boom in the teeth, he falls backwards. Bam, bam, take a couple more.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Two ways I want to show you. A forehand punyo is just basically a punch, except you're using the end of the stick, so the tip of the punyo, and you are, so I'm not hitting here, I'm hitting here. You're hitting the punyo end of the stick into their face or into their body, most likely the face. Okay, now when you do that, very similar to boxing type mechanics. Balls of the feet, punch, keep your arms straight, chin tucked, head up. You can lean a little outside of it, come back, come back, come back, okay? That's it, it's that simple. Now when the hand crosses the center line and is definitively on the opposite side of the body, you have this perfect little flat, or if it was cut or sharpened into a point, now you have the punyo. Now, if I back up from this, I'm going to turn away. Watch. When the punyo strike happens, see how this arm pulls back to push this forward. There's always a give and take between your shoulders, your core, and of course your feet and the ground. To punyo and go and use nothing more than a tricep extension, pop, 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 doesn't have the power, boom, that this has. Boom, 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 boom. It makes sense? Not a tricep extension. Boom, boom. Most times when you see me punyo, my body almost looks like it's going backwards. Because I'm pulling the ripcord to get the synergistic motion inside the body. So when you pick this up, all you're doing is here is just going, I don't care if you've never boxed before, this makes it easy in your head because you gotta get the tip of the stick. I'm just gonna break that in his face, bam, bam, punch him in the mouth, pa, pa, hit him in the eye. Think about this. Why would I go forward and chase somebody with the punyo like that? If they're going away from me and opening up distance, I'm not gonna go get back here and start chasing them down. It's if they're coming at me. And if they're coming at me, bam, bam. Like, come on in, boom, right in the teeth. Come on in, boom, right in the teeth. Boom, right in the teeth, boom, right in the teeth. Boom in the teeth, he falls backwards. Bam, bam, take a couple more. Okay, already knocked out 2 of your teeth for coming in. Now I'm gonna scrape across your nose, scrape across your eye. Okay, those are now, see the punyo means punching. So this is these short little, bam, bam. These are bam, bam. These are gonna teach you these short little, or these bam, bam, boxing type mechanics. And that's one of the ways of why you'll express your body and move.